Good morning, everyone. We will start the call. Asian markets are down 0.5%, and consensus expectation by economists, for U.S. interest rates for the next year has now, increased for a cut of 140 basis points for the entire, of calendar year 2024. Similarly, European Union is also expected to see a 150 basis points rate cut next year. Such easing would allow some Asian central banks to ease earlier than US and EU, including that of India. So expect RBI to also jump onto the rate cutting cycle next year. FIIs remain buyers in Indian equity markets. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jehan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap down opening as the Asian markets are not doing really well. But we have seen a very good rally in the last few trading sessions from almost 21,000 to 21,500 level at the straight rally on the Nifty front as well as on the Bank Nifty. Now, looking towards such kind of a rally, a profit booking cannot be denied at the higher level. So, we are likely to witness some sort of a profit booking today. On the technical ground, as of now, the immediate support is sliced at 21,370. Any move below that level, we might witness some more profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 21,300 to 21,240 levels. Whereas on higher side, the immediate resistance is placed at 21,520. Above that level only, we can witness some sort of a pullback rally towards 21,670 to 21,700 levels. The overall view will remain a positive as long as it doesn't show any sign of a reversals from the higher sides. But the profit booking cannot be denied. So hold your long positions by maintaining the trailing stop losses on higher side or book at least partial profit at the current market price. Coming towards the Bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, 48,500 and 48,740 is the resistance level we need to keep eye on it. Whereas the support is placed at 47,900 and 47,550. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 21,660, 21,740 are the crucial resistance level we need to watch out. Whereas the support is placed at 21,470, 21,360. As of now, I'm not initiating any fresh buy call or the sell call. Let the market settle down at the support or the resistance level, and accordingly, we will initiate the call. That's it from my end. I request Niro to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, looking at the overall open interest, the open interest has risen in the past couple of trading sessions, and along with open interest, the price has risen as well. So longs are being built in. The PCR at 1.4 odd is now touching the overbought zone. Still not there, but yeah, going above the same. Probably in today's trading session, if Nifty is up at the close, VIX has increased as well. So there are signs that somewhere some sort of profit booking can come in, and uh, also at 500 strike, the PCR is not above 1. So there are signs that some sort of selling pressure or consolidation will set in the next couple of trading sessions. I don't believe it will be a big consolidation or a big bearish rally, but yes, those 2 days are required for Nifty to cool down, and then again, as the data starts to become positive, we will see further rally in Nifty. But up till then, I would just suggest to book certain profits and stay on the sidelines or trade intraday until there is more clarity on the upward rally. From the stock specific front, metals did quite well on Friday, and a lot of them witnessed short covering action, especially SAIL and Tata Steel. Tata Steel has been under pressure from quite a lot of time, and we are seeing some open interest cool off there. That means the stocks are likely to further witness good buying going forward, especially the metals names. So watch out for metals. They might perform very well going forward in the next few days as Nifty cools off. Yeah, so that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders has signed contracts with a European client for construction of 3 units of 7,500 DWT multi-purpose vessels. Total contract value is $42 million. So this is positive. CRISIL has downgraded its ratings on NCDs of Bandhan Bank to AA minus from AA earlier. So this is negative for Bandhan Bank. Solar Industries had an explosion incident on Saturday in one of the processes at its plant where 9 workmen have lost their lives. So this will be seen as negative. And one IPO will open today, Muthoot Microfin Limited, and it will close on Wednesday. We have given subscribe rating. Our total issue size is 960 crores, of which 200 crore is OFS and 760 crores is fresh issue. It's a microfinance company with AUM of 11,000 crores operating from Kerala, which is the base for Muthoot Papachan Group, its promoter, which has interests in multiple businesses and industries and is a very well-known group in Kerala and South India. This is the blue Muthoot Group. The one which is listed, Muthoot Finance, is the red Muthoot Group, which is different from this company's group. Robust risk management framework has translated to a healthy portfolio quality with a net NPA of just 0.3% as on September end. In first half of FY24, company has delivered ROA of 4.4%, ROE of 23%, which is in line with that of listed peers like Credit Access, Fusion, Spandana, Ujjivan. Muthoot is available at a price to book of 1.9 times on post-issue basis compared to peer average of 3.4 times. Thus, we expect good gains from this IPO, and we suggest all investors to apply in this IPO. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, Motisans Jewellers Limited IPO is opening. The price band is set at rupees 55 at upper end, and the issue is closing on 20th December. The issue size is rupees 151 crore, which consists of fresh issue. We have a void recommendation on the issue. The company is a Jaipur-based retail jewelry player with more than 2 decades of journey in the industry. It has commenced its business through a partnership firm, Messrs. Motisans Jewellers, in 1997. And the business includes the sale of all kinds of jewelry, including gold, diamond, kundan, and pearl silver. It operates 4 showrooms under the Motisans brand located across Jaipur. Companies around 88 to 90% of revenue is generates from trading sales, while remaining from its own manufacturing. And the company will continue to focus on trading sales only. The funds raised through this issue would be utilized towards the repayment of 58 crores of its existing borrowings and working capital requirement of 71 crore. The company's top line performance has seen a good growth of 18.7% CAGR between FY20 to 23, which is strong when compared to its peers. However, if we look at the regional presence of Jaipur with 4 showrooms, and majority of the revenue is generates from its flagship store located at Tonk Road, which is a key monitorable. Also, it has a high working capital days of around 364 days due to its high inventory days of 319 compared to the average performance of the peers of 200 days. The issue is valued at 24 times to FY23 EPS, which is believed to be reasonable. However, the issue is not providing any opportunities for its future growth, and the management is expected to plan its future expansion based on the internal accrual. So we have recommended avoid to the issue. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jian. Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are expecting the momentum in commodities to remain positive. So, buy and drip strategies are recommended. One can initiate a buy in gold around 62,000 to 61,950. On downside, maintain a stop loss of 61,750. On upside, again, it can test 62,400 to 500 levels. Silver also one can buy around 74,200 to 74,000 and maintain a stop loss of 73,500. On upside again 74,800, 75,500 is the level we are expecting to witness profit taking. In metal front, we had seen some profit taking on higher end from in copper. So buying on dips is suggested around 724.23 and maintaining a stop loss of 718 is recommended. Prices can again test 730.32 on upside. Also, zinc prices are we maintain the view of positive bias and buying on dips is recommended around 220 250 and maintain a stop loss of 221. On upside again 225 to 26 one can take profits as prices have been rallying from 216 odd levels. So profit taking on higher end is recommended. And in crude oil, one can initiate a buy around 59.20, maintain a stop loss of 58.50. On upside again 6,000, 6,050, one can take profits. Natural gas had rallied on Friday and we expect the momentum to continue. So buying around 206 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 195. On upside again, it can test 218 to 220. So all in all, buy on dips is the call for the day. That's it from us. Thank you very much.